Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another exciting hotel room tour from your favorite traveling and concert channel. Today, we are at Days Inn in Plainfield, Indiana. And the reason I'm staying here is because there's a convention half a mile away, and this was like a third of the price, and it's still close enough to walk. Anyway, let me show you what we have here. So, walk in the door here. Immediately to your left is a chair and a lamp. And the air conditioning / heating unit, a trash can, one of the beds that I have all my stuff on right now. In between them is another nightstand with a phone, a lamp, outlet for charging, as well as USB for charging, an alarm clock, and the good book, and a phone book too. There's the other bed. Seems pretty comfy. A TV with the remote. Go on there. And channel listings. Let's see what we get here. Yep, nothing out of the ordinary. So, TV, channel listings, remote, all pretty standard. You get a table by the TV, kind of in an interesting place there. Another lamp with outlets on it. And what's this? Guest room directory? Oh, I see, it's just like a directory for little places you want to go. Oh, and things you can put on the door. So if you don't want to be disturbed, or I guess if you need towels. The microwave and mini refrigerator, ironing board and iron. Onto the bathroom area. Vanity, big mirror, your favorite YouTuber. Ice bucket and cups, coffee maker, towels, hairdryer, a luggage storage area complete with hangers. They could do something about that corner there, but that's nothing too bad. Anyway, on to the bathroom. You know, if paying a third of the price means I have to have an ugly corner, I'll make that trade. Hold on, I think some water got on the floor here. I hope it's water. I think it's like a cleaning solution. Okay. Alright, so that's not good. Okay, so there's a bathroom, toilet, shower head, curtain, the shower itself. Looks like they could replace the porcelain, but nothing like unsanitary or anything, so not the worst thing. Oh, and I forgot to mention there is a free continental breakfast. So knowing that that's included in the price, that's a nice bonus. I almost forgot to look at the view. So here's the view. you can look directly across at the Hampton Inn. And there's the view of the parking lot. There's my car that I always show off every chance I get. So, my overall opinion, if you have to go to the convention center in Indiana, which is half a mile from here, I would definitely recommend staying here if you want to save some money, which is why I chose to. There is some cosmetic things that could use some attention, but nothing that takes away from the stay. So overall, would recommend, would stay again. That is it for now, and thank you for watching.